Adding fumed silica to UV wood floor coatings enables the formation of a thin film on the surface, enhancing its density, while maintaining the original transparency and blackness of the product. To ensure the desired customer effect, it also imparts excellent matting properties. 2 UV wood floor coating samples were prepared. One is a control sample. The other is the test sample with added fumed silica. Both were thoroughly mixed using a dispersion device. 2 10 cm squared solid wood boards were roller coated with the control and test samples at identical thicknesses, then cured in a UV chamber for 20 seconds. When placed under natural light and observed their reflectivity, the control sample exhibited a glossy appearance, while the test sample showed a matte finish. Both samples were roller-coated onto glass panels, and a gloss meter was used to measure their gloss values. The control sample displayed significantly higher gloss values compared to the test. The above experiments demonstrate that fumed silica can effectively provide matting effects in UV wood floor coatings.